My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video I'm gonna show you the Vechain price prediction. What's the prices goes in the Vechain? What's the current status of Vechain and the cryptocurrencies markets? And a lot of people ask me a question like a Vechain, what's the next target of the Vechain? Is Vechain good for investment or not? And what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin? So in this video I'm answering these questions. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. And if you have a question, so please comment us. As you can see here now, for a better decision of the Vechain coin, what's the next target? We have to look the last 1 day price predictions. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction is on the screen. Unbelievable change in the Cardano coin you're watching now. The last 1 day price change occurs in the Vechain as about 26.72 USD dollar. Sorry, with 26.72%. The percent change occur in a Vechain in the last 1 day, which is a very better change occur in the Vechain. I like this change. And the high price of the Vechain coin in the last 1 day as about 0.2428 USD dollar is the high price of Vechain in the last 1 day, friends. If you look the price prediction chart of the Vechain coin, so as you can see here, a quick jump occurs in the Vechain coin. As you can see here, quick jump occurs from the previous last 4 hour. Quick jump of the Vechain coin starts now, friends. Now for more details, if we zoom it, so as you can see here, the jump occurs in the Vechain coin, they are moving up, but I think now it's this time they are again the falls occur for a little time, and now the again start jumping. For let's see the last 1 hour price prediction for a better decision, for a better understanding for all of you, friends. As you can see here, as I told you that the last 1 hour, that is the last one hour price prediction. As you can see the fast occur in the Vechain coin in the last 1 hour, but don't worry, as you can see here, after a fast, that is a little phenomena of the every cryptocurrency. As you can see here, after a fast occur in the Vechain coin in this point, the fast starts of the Vechain coin, but as you can see here, if we look the average level of the Vechain coin, so average level they fast down. As you can see here, they falls down occurs in the Vechain coin. So I hope they are not going upward. That's enough jump of the Vechain coin are also taken by a Vechain coin. So the next plane of the Vechain coin as to dumping, friends. As you can see here, the common phenomena occurs in here. As you can see, that is the highest point of the Vechain coin. As you can see here, to the $0.245 amount of the Vechain at this point. After this point, the fast of the Vechain coin are starts now. As you can see here, a fast occur, and after a great fast there is a only small jump occurs in the Vechain coin, and again the great fast occur, and after this again a small jump occurs in the Vechain coin, and now again same procedure occurs. I mean that the falling is greater than according to the falling is greater than as compared to the jumping mode. So that is why the average change occur in the Vechain coin or in the fall sprint. That is why the next plane of the Vechain coin, I hope their dumping occurs in the Vechain coin. So my suggestion for all of you, so don't buy don't sell it at this time, but after again a one jump, after again two pump, are you a old holder of Vechain coin, so my suggestion for all of you to please sell it at this time, friends. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest and if you want to decide that what's buy, sell or hold a coin, so that's your decision. Please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Take channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.